Sunday. I've already prepped my breakfast. So I got my coffee. I'm going to add some milk. I got some dairy. I took off some more to show you what it is. It's a Petit Suisse. And I think I've never showed you this before because I don't buy this so often. I think it's a French specialty. It's like yogurt, of course, but very fatty and high in protein. So it's very smooth and creamy, very good. I'm going to add some nuts. I got some sourdough bread. It's a regular sourdough bread, but they add some dry fruits. And I like to buy this in winter because it's very wintry, Christmassy. And have this with butter, and I also got some cheese. It's a very basic cheese, perfect for breakfast, very mild and creamy. And I think it's from Co. And that's it. I think I showed you everything. So now I'm going to enjoy my breakfast, and I'm going to take you along later. I'm going to meal prep, to run errands too, but I'm not going to the market today because it's too cold. But I'm going to run errands, of course, and later I think I'm going to go to have lunch with a friend first, and to go later to the Louvre because I have a subscription, and it's the last day of validity for my subscription. But I'm not sure yet, we'll see. And but I'm going to meal prep because it's Sunday, and I like to meal prep on Sunday. To have plenty of food in my fridge for the week. I'm going to prep a blanquette. This is a French traditional stew. The recipe normally calls for veal, but I'm going to make it with this pork loin because veal is very expensive these days, so I'm going to substitute with this piece of this cut. And I've already tried with pork loin, and it turned out very, very good. So obviously it's fattier than veal, but very good. And so I got some bone marrow too. I'm going to cook them separated, I think, in the oven. And I got some butter and olive oil, of course, for the cooking. Some celery, some leeks, some bay leaves. I doesn't have any time, so I'm going to substitute with herbe de Provence. I hope it's going to be good too. We'll see. I got some crème fraîche. The recipe calls for carrots. And in this bag, it's some potatoes, so nothing to do with the stew, but I'm going to cook them ahead of time because my son likes potatoes, and so I like to have some in my fridge ready to go. So now I'm going to cut the meat and to start. I removed all the fattier parts, and this is the meat that remains, and I'm going to sear it in the Dutch oven. I added a bone for more flavor. And now I'm going to let this simmer for 2 hours, and then I will remove a bit of fat and some broth, and I will add the crème fraîche. And we have our potatoes here. I'm going to cook them. I'm currently heading to the Louvre, which is the building over there.
chorando por uma nova ferida. Mas como até que de mato nasce uma flor, muitas vezes é da dor que vem o amor. E o que pensava que era um engano, olho seus olhos de luz e vejo um anjo. Esqueci dos tropeços, esqueci das caídas, em noites perdidas vou encontrar o meu lar.
These are dinners, so I served the blanquette with the meat, the carrots, the celery, and the creamy sauce. It smells very good. And I added some leeks for me. And my son is going to have some potatoes. I reheated some potatoes and he's going to have some. After the dish we're going to have some camembert and some cheese, have some comté too. And we're going to have some bread. Got some breads and some water, of course. And for dessert we're going to have some clementines. And I think I got some grapes too. So yeah, this is our dinner, and maybe afterwards I will have a decaf coffee with a piece of chocolate.